Good morning, everyone. Day 50,000 of building this van. We are building the little bench there. I'm happy. Gonna have a little place to sit. There's a lot into this little bench. I need to make sure that the ventilation of the fridge can escape on that side too. So we need a little vent for the fridge. And I need a place to mount the lagoon table because I have a little lagoon table. And I already measured to make sure that my two front seats can still swivel with that little bench, and I think it's gonna be in the way. So I have all the measurement and should be quite, I think it will be easy. I should probably not say that. We never know, but I think it will be a straightforward cabinet, hopefully. I still have 5 pieces of plywood. How many did I order? That was 10. Yeah, I think I ordered a little bit too much plywood. The place to get the plywood here, the Baltic birch, it's only down island and it did deliver here. So I kind of needed to order on the safe side, like a little bit. Not much. I was hoping to get like the right amount, but I think I have a little bit too much. So I think I have more, for sure, at least one for the kitchen. Half probably for this project, and maybe the other half for the kitchen, and maybe one for the up cabinet. So yeah, I might have 2 sheets of plywood extra, which is not a ton. I've got it. And I also think that I ordered too many laminate, black laminate. I had to reorder a couple, and that was like 2 weeks ago. And it just arrived yesterday. And I ordered 3 more sheets, which I already took pretty much like 3 sheets. But I've been using a lot of like those little cutting pieces that I have, and I realized that I've been using a lot more than I thought. I thought right away I would need extra. That would not be enough to do all my project, but yeah, there's not a ton of black laminate everywhere. It's just a couple of strips, or the kitchen's gonna need a big sheet though. So maybe I should have ordered just one. So maybe I'm gonna have 2 extra of black laminate and 2 extra of Baltic birch. I can always resell them at someone. We'll see. That's the problem with doing this on Vancouver Island. You need to think about your supply all the time. Because it takes a minute, or it doesn't have a ton of place compared to obviously Vancouver. Alright. Because I have all of this of leftover laminate. So this is the plan. So 19 inches high by the seat itself will be 16 plus the back cushion's gonna be like a total 19, so I'm gonna cut that 19. I don't know if I'm gonna put an actual back or just gonna velcro like a cushion on the back there. We'll see there, that can change, doesn't matter. What else? The front needs some ventilation here, so that's the ventilation for the fridge. And this sides need to be for the lagoon table. The lagoon table I have like all the measurements, so make sure it's gonna be all right. And yeah, drawer like over here that I want very strong because I want to put a little extender, and I can put a little cushion, and it can be like a little rest for my feet. But yeah, this is the plan for today. So I think I'm gonna do the big piece first. So 33 by 19, I need 2 of that. I'm gonna cut the metal things after that. All the big pieces are cut, except the top where I'm going to see it. I'm going to do that after. I'm going to cut the laminate this piece and this piece, which are the 2 visible ones, and go from there.
Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn the slow moves. I would do anything you ask me to do. Jump out on the stage, get locked up in a cage, director. Glitter and a touch of glamour. Wanna impress me, show me real amour. Flower curtains, rose petals on my bed. I'm your sweetheart. Every new day, a new chance for success. The sooner the better, 'cause I'll be the best. But I draw the line at getting undressed, director. Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn the slow moves. I would do anything you ask me to do. Jump out on the stage, get locked up in a cage, director.
Alright, vent, work, it's all level, love it. I'm gonna screw that on. This will be the opening for the drawer to go. Space for the lagoon table. Yeah, it's all good. So I just need to kind of sand all those edges here so they look nice. And I think I'm pretty much like ready to assemble after that. Yeah, turned out to be quite easy cabinet to do. I mean, I'm gonna know if that was easy when I'm gonna put it in, but so far so good. If I didn't do any mistake, which I don't think I did, it's gonna turn out great.
Stage, get locked up in a cage, director. Oh, bring it on, director. I know how to deliver. Come on, director.
All right, this is the dry fit. I love it. I love the little ventilation here. So the ventilation of underneath, the ventilation behind the fridge gonna be able to escape here. I put a hole on this one here. Storage here, one drawer is gonna be full of like everything to edit, everything to that I need every day while I'm in my desk. And yeah, that's gonna be nice and big. So the bottom of that cabinet, or that bench I should say, is gonna be a little bit lower. And yeah, so maybe the cushion's gonna be pretty much the same height than the seat of my van. Love it. Do you know how much I'm obsessed with the black and the wood? So good. But yeah, give it a little ventilation. I love it. And yeah, a ton of storage. out of storage. And I done the test with the swivel seat to make sure everything was all right. So pretty much I'm gonna be able to have like 3% inside the van. Like we could all like chat in one here and 2 in the front. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna really happen, but if I want, I could have it happen. All right. Let's do this. Yep. It'll work. Aww. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna put like obviously a cushion here, like maybe 2 inches, and make one for the back here that will just go on top of the actual walls itself. Yeah, I think. And this gonna open, and it's gonna be inside. It's gonna have, I'm gonna reverse the top, and I'm gonna have a cushion there too. You guys gonna see when I'm gonna be there, but yeah, love it. And I use the same some leftover from the sheet of the bed, which is only birch plywood. It's not Baltic birch, and it was already finished, which is fine. Totally fine. Love it. And from the inside of the van, I'm gonna have the view from the outside. This is like the main reason why I wanted my bench here. So the swivel seat's gonna swivel table is gonna be here. I'm gonna be able to edit and look outside. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna be able to look outside too. So yeah, view all around. It's gonna be awesome. This is something that I was so missing in my current van, is a place to edit. You guys, I've been editing for the past 5 years, almost 6 now. Sitting in my bed on the side of the cabinet, like no place at all to edit. And usually my video that can take like 5, sometimes 6 hours, sometimes 4, it kind of depends, but yeah. So now I'm gonna have a true place to edit, and all my supply for editing, everything's gonna be underneath this bench. Looking for, maybe I should have, so maybe inside that big drawer, because it's quite big, I can do a double drawer. I can do a double drawer. I don't know how to explain. Sometime kitchen, and inside your kitchen you have like one drawer. I have a hard time with that word. I have a hard time with this word that I have to say 50 times. Inside the drawer, you open and it's got another smaller drawer inside that is kind of like surprise up here. So inside the smaller one, I could put my laptop, and on the big one, camera and stuff like this could be there. You know, it's an option. We're gonna see when we're gonna be there, but yeah, I'm so happy. So right now I only put like 1 screws. It's not like nothing all the cabinets that I've done, in fact, other than obviously this one, they are just like 1 or 2 screws just so they don't move. But when everything's gonna be at its place, I'm gonna re-screw everything, make sure it's totally strong and everything. Right now, just in case that's something that I'm not level, there's something going on and I need to slightly move things, I still can do it. But yeah, all of this, it's been awesome. It's been leveled. I'm so happy. Everything's good right now. So yeah, the same distance with the floors and everything. Same things here. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, ventilation and everything. The only thing that I'm gonna add here is maybe 2 kind of strip here, 2-inch strip on each side there. We're not gonna see it, the drawer is gonna be on top, but it will allow me to screw things from the floor, which right now I don't really have access. And I need to put something here too as well for the track of the drawer. Yeah, other than that, this little cabinet looking good. But there's one thing that I forgot. I forgot to put the outlet for charging my laptop and everything. I thought we'll put somewhere here or maybe on this side, so I'm gonna have to do that after the fact, which is not ideal, but yeah, I forgot. But I think it's gonna be fine. I think I can move this whole cabinet. Right now I don't have the outlet itself. I need to go buy one, and I think it's gonna go on this side here, so I can move things, flip things, and use the jigsaw to cut that hole. Not ideal, but it's gonna be fine. So after that, we have the kitchen cabinet, which is gonna be because of the water tank, it's gonna be a little bit hard. But yeah, we have that one, and we have the top one there. So that's it. After that, all the base of the cabinet will be done. And I'm just gonna have to do, oh yeah, a lot of stuff to do. All the doors and drawers and the hardware and all of this and the walls but yeah, you get the point. We almost done the furniture building of the cabinets. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go buy outlet, and I'm gonna wait to get the swivel table, lagoon table, just to make sure that it's good in the front, that it feels right, you know, if it's not in the way. If it's in the way, I can put on the side there and put the outlet in the front, so I can do whatever I feel. So I think will be the best way to do it, especially that I didn't put the hole yet, just to make sure. But yeah, another little project done. I wish they were all easy. This one was easy and fast. The next one will be the kitchen. The kitchen will be, yeah, maybe it will be easier than I think. Maybe. I think the plan, or the best way to do it, was to really like write down all the measurement on a little piece of paper, so I had a plan. Which was great this time, and I'm gonna do that for the kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna measure things and I'm gonna make a little plan, so hopefully it goes smooth. Hey, Miss Kelly, how are you doing? Just chilling.